Okay, so welcome to Nantong, and there's a lot of dancing going on this Friday evening here. After a full day of traveling outside, a lot of action, you gotta wind down here. Very interesting, enjoying the ladies dancing. Yes, I was saying out walking here actually in Rugao. It's a small city in China, only like 1.4 million people, so quite big. It's kind of the size of Stockholm, which is part of Nantong that I mentioned, which is actually 8 million. It's in the Jiangsu province here, north of Shanghai actually. Went there for some meetings, but I was really fortunate here to be able to stay out. It's actually Friday night here, and supposed to fly back actually tonight, but no flights all of a sudden, so I have to go back tomorrow morning, or I was supposed to take the train actually, but now taking the flight tomorrow morning. So I got some hours extra here, and it turns out there's like an old part of town here actually, so managed to walk around a little bit and was offered actually to try a lot of local food. So I'm going to show some of that in the background here. The thing in China is you always order so much different food for sharing, which is amazing, but it's too much if you just eat by yourself, which I normally do. So I just wanted to share you guys in the background. A lot of beautiful buildings, and we had a sunset here and the old part of the city. So not so much you can see me in the video here, but hopefully I just wanted to share a little bit of what I see during the day here. And also, it's always so big meals, so it's very big risk that you're tired. So I'm just gonna jump to an early clip today in between all the meetings here and just give you some of my thoughts back then. Just having a bit of a break here in between some meetings. You always get impressed by all these views and the buildings everywhere in China. Just a short break before the next meeting. You gotta make sure you don't eat too many carbs for lunch or fall asleep. Then you can't stay sharp. So that's just a tip. Even though we have a lot of food, as you see in the background, I avoid a lot of this carb stuff and go for a little bit more meat and so on. I couldn't take so many videos, but I did some pictures here. So gonna focus a bit on work now, and hopefully I'll see you a bit later. So a lot of people out walking here with nice music in the background. People are very active. And it's really cool bridge here in the background, and you have all this huge sky rises and a shopping mall in the background. Just wanted to end the evening here by walking a bit. Actually, some of my colleagues and the people I met here offered to walk back 3 kilometers, so I got in my 10,000 steps. But I think it's time to head back. But I was in the gym in the morning and started the day active. If you sit all day, that's not so fantastic. So I think I'm gonna go back now, go to sleep, and they actually offered that they're gonna show us some very local breakfast tomorrow morning. I'm not going to be able to show it like this, trying the food like I normally do, but I want to show a little bit in the background and then maybe some clips from there. So I will see you there, and then hopefully I can wrap up the trip after that. Okay, so welcome to the morning after, and this beautiful Saturday morning. I just got my nice cup of coffee here and just going to enjoy a bit of the background here and get some energy. It's pretty cool here in the sea. So I always get very impressed by this construction going on in China. So I'm gonna just sip on this and see you in the gym. Okay, so I made it to the gym, and I find out I'm almost always the first one and the only one in the gym here. And it also even smells like brand new. But you have this pretty nice view outside here. Maybe too bright to see, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna do a bit of a treadmill, I think walking here, maybe even run. It's quite early in the morning. Let me check. What is it? It is 5:19. I'm meeting up the others here at 7:40 for a quick local breakfast, as I mentioned. That's going to be very interesting. So I want to make sure I burn some calories before that. But also always try to bring just some exercise clothes to get in the steps, because normally if you're traveling for business trips or things like that, you just sit down all day, you get pretty sluggish. Woke up this morning after having a lot of that food, as you can see last night. I was 12.3% body fat. I went up from 11.8 2 days in a row. So I've actually been at my lowest weight 2 days in a row. Then I have a little bit of a setback. I think a lot of sodium and things from the food, but no problem. So I'm just gonna make sure I get some movement in and also some exercise. I'm really happy because the gym is even open here. It's been closed, as you know, for a long time in Beijing. Hopefully I make it back. So I'll see you a little bit later. So now we got to the nice breakfast place, and we're gonna walk in looking very authentic in the background. As you can see, all buildings. It's some sort of, I don't know, pancakes or something. Gonna check it out. It's gonna be really nice. Let's try it out. Merry Christmas. Have to take that sign down. Gotta check out the local place here. Wow. Nice noodles, smelling really nice. Very authentic Chinese. Let's go up. Wow. Really nice here. Fantastic. Looking forward to this. So nice to see all these restaurants here. Wow. Here we have some more food. That's looking nice. Ooh, nice. Very authentic. Ooh, those noodles are cooking nice. Ooh. Wow, that is looking really cool. The Chinese pizza.
Yeah.
Nice. Very generous. Smells really nice.
Yeah.
Wow. Put them inside here. Wow. Very authentic.
It will have many different flavors.
Nice. Yeah, definitely have to try that one. We'll try it later?
Yes.
Wow. Great. Let's try. Wow, even more food. Wow, so much food for breakfast. Great food here. Wow, even more. That's crazy. It's like salon bar. Wow. Let's try it out. Take a bite. Wow, that's nice. What's inside? Rice. Crab. Wow, crab. That is nice. There's some ginger. Crab. Wow, that's fancy breakfast, that's for sure. Wow. Crazy nice. Roe? Crab roe? Let's try one of the noodles. Wow. It's noodles. Wow, let's try this. Some meat. That looks looking crazy good. Very tasty. Some vinegar? Yeah, sure, with the dumplings. This is looking great. Definitely some very nice noodles here. Oh, nice. Wow. Looking nice. Yes. Ooh, yeah, I will try this one. Nice. Very nice here. Ooh, getting messy, but get a dip here. Vinegar. Wow. Definitely ruined it, but let's try anyway. Really nice. Okay, let's try this pork floss here. Very interesting. Very fluffy. Nice. Okay, let's try this one. Made from beans. Let's try it. Very nice. Let's try this one. Local pancake. This is looking amazing. Oh, very greasy, but super nice. Wow. This is not only for me, for sharing. Gotta try these ones. Ooh. Very nice. With the vinegar, a bit messy. Let's try it out. Really tasty. Try some tofu soup. Ooh, what this? Ooh, looks nice. Sure. Try a little bit of this. Nice. Wow. Chinese pizza. Yeah, that looks even better. Fantastic. Gotta try that one. Let's try this crispy one. Looks nice. Smells a bit burnt. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, so finally I made it to the airport after that extremely nice breakfast. That was a lot more food than I was planning, that's for sure. It's good I went for like an hour treadmill in the morning at the gym. Almost forgot how it is to be in an airport. So nice. But this quick for a trip turned into a lot of food and exploration. Even got to see a bit of the city, so super nice. And yeah, let me know if you want to see more of this kind of stuff. Then I maybe bring this camera, even though it's quite heavy and big. If you think that's a great idea, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.